Hey guys, what's up? I'm back in my jammies. Starting off by moisturizing this face because your girl is crusty. So if you guys are new to my channel, I used to do these like voiceover tutorials all the time, and I realized that I am just not one of these like really politically correct, very like, you know, I wouldn't say prissy, okay, fuck it, prissy like beauty YouTubers with like this perfect voiceover. Like my voiceovers are ratchet AF. So if you're here for that, stay tuned. So I have a lot to get off of my chest. So first I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. I'm using Warm Medium. So I'm going to prime my eyes, and under my eyes I'm going to highlight, all that good stuff. Speaking of Born This Way, have you guys heard about all the drama that's going on right now with Jackie Aina? I was on Twitter last night and I got a little bit of it, but I don't think that I got all of the teas. But basically everyone's calling Jackie Aina racist on Twitter now, I guess, allegedly. And there was this whole like Jackie Aina's canceled party. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm not canceling Jackie Aina. If you guys haven't heard about it, I'm gonna drop some links down below in the description box of some videos that kind of talk about it. So watch those and then come back and tell me what you think, because I have an opinion, but I want to know what you guys think. So now I'm gonna set under my eyes with this penis sponge. So now I'm just going to lay down my transition color in my crease area. If you watch beauty YouTube videos, you already know the drill. So I'm just going to lay this down. I got these new brushes from, I don't even remember where I got them from, but they are so bomb. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I did like a monochromatic, like all red look. And I used the same eyeshadow, but the application here I feel like is so different and it just blended so much better. And I'm convinced, like you cannot convince me otherwise, it is this brush. The palette that I'm using is from ColourPop and it's the Yes Please palette. I really, really like it. It's only 10 bucks. You guys know that I like to save a dollar here and there. And now I'm just gonna apply, I think this is the NYX glitter glue that I'm applying to my lid. And then from the Bomb.com palette, shameless plug, I reviewed this palette. It has like 24 glitters. They're probably all gone now because I'm a glitter fanatic, but I loved it. So you should definitely check out that video. I will put it in the cards, the little dot up in the right hand corner. Sorry, I burped. Yeah, the little dot up in the right hand corner, go ahead and click that and it will direct you to my review on this palette, which was really, really, really amazing. So the idea here was trees, okay? They look kind of like trees. Don't argue with me, they look kind of like trees. I popped on some lashes and now I'm just adding that same color I used for my transition to my lower lash line, just to kind of, you know, just to kind of smoke it out a little bit, you know, a little smoke out action. And then I'm going in with this red lip. This is from AOA Studios. This liquid lipstick was only $1. It was from Shop Miss A. I also have a Shop Miss A haul, so if you've missed it, catch up. And last but not least, this highlight, which is from Becca and Champagne Pop. So that is it for my quick little, this is not quick, for my lazy girl holiday makeup tutorial thing that I did. What the fuck is this? It's fine. It's fine. That was an overreaction. I'm not always like this on this channel. I don't want you to judge me based off of that one isolated freak out. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I was feeling kind of down today, so I wanted to do something Christmassy, and I was already in my pajamas, so I think the look matches. What do you guys think? Guys, let me know what you think about this Christmas tree inspired makeup look, and give this video a like if you want more makeup tutorials from me. I know it's been a while since I've done one. I've been really itching to. I just sometimes, oh, let me tell you. So what happened was I shaved my left eyebrow off accidentally. And since then, I haven't really felt like doing a makeup tutorial because I'm so scared that it's gonna be noticeable. It is kind of noticeable because this one is much lower than this one, but you know what? It's fine. We're all friends here. You guys love me, I love you. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Let me know if you like this look, what you would have done better. I probably would have added some ornaments if I wasn't feeling so lazy, but I think it came out okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll catch you in the next one.